there's a lot you could learn. What I want to make sure of is that, well, my goal for me is always to make sure that I don't get distracted by things that are, when it all comes down to it, unimportant to making profits. Yeah. And the arrows is a good example. Like, it'd be nice if it was just, here's a buy, here's a sell, it's all perfect. But I don't have a single arrow on my charts generally, because I run the back test, and the back test tells me when to buy and the back test tells me when to sell. The arrows are superfluous, right? And I'm picking on this because this is something that a lot of people want, the aesthetics, but the aesthetics are pretty much irrelevant for making you money because you're following a system. So you could spend, 10 hours trying to learn and figure out how to make that perfect. It's not going to change your trading. Is that where you should spend the 10 hours, or should you spend the 10 hours on, something that will actually impact your trading, like working on a new system or backtesting another system, something like that. So every time you do something in Amibroker, and this is key, because there's a lot you could do, and there's a lot of kind of distracting things and things that are hard to figure out and things that people complain about. Ask yourself, will this make me more money? Will this smooth my equity curve? And if the answer is yes, then great, learn it. If the answer is no, it's probably a distraction. See if there's a way you can work around it or let go of it.